Ano sa English ang masasanay ka rin? Kapag sinabi nating masasanay ka rin, ibig sabihin, matututunan mo rin yan or sa susunod, hindi ka na maninibago. In English, you can say, you'll get used to it. Or, you'll get accustomed to it. Or, you'll get the hang of it. O halimbawa, gusto mo sabihin, masasanay ka rin sa trabaho mo. Then you can say, you'll get used to the job. You'll get accustomed to your job, so don't worry. You'll get the hang of the job. Don't worry. Ang ibig sabihin ng you will get the hang of something ay you will learn how to do it. Sa tatlong expressions na yan, yung formal ay you'll get accustomed to it. So medyo formal na yan. Pero yung you'll get the hang of it at saka you'll get used to it ay pwedeng gamitin in casual conversations.